Good morning, students. Yesterday I taught three cases. The three cases using the rank method. Now we got to apply these three cases in exercise number 1.6. Now see here, you're having four sums. In each four sums having example sums also I'm written here. Just you got to copy it in your book. Okay. Now come to first sum. The same model example 1.29. Come to first sum. What is this? Case number 1 la first sum. Equations are x minus y plus 2z equal to 2. Next, 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 7. Then 4x minus y plus z equal to 4. Okay, after converted to matrix equation is 1 minus 1 2, 2 1 4, 4 minus 1 1. Then you have to write after matrix equations, you have to write augmented matrix. What is augmented matrix? You got to combine and write A and B. So augmented matrix is A bar B equal to 1 minus 1 2, 2 1 4, 4 minus 1 1. What? 2 7 4. This is A, this is B. This is augmented matrix. Now by using Gauss elimination method, by Gaussian elimination method, by using elementary transformation. Now this is smallest number already. Then we got to convert it to this two elements converted to 0. So shall I multiply by 2 in this row? Shall I multiply by 4 in this row? Okay, R2 gives R2 minus 2 times of R2. R4 gives R3 gives R3 minus 4 times of R1. Children, R1 multiply by R1. This 2. Then here, no need to change anything in the first row. Okay, then take this is R2. 2 1 4 7 using rough column. Then multiply by 2 in the second row. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 minus 4. The answer is 0 3 0 3 0 3 0 3. This is the second row. Then come to third row. 4 minus 1 1 4. Again multiply by 4 in the first row. Minus 4 plus 4 minus 8 minus 8. Answer 0 3 minus 7 minus 4. 0 3 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, these two numbers, yeah, got it 0. Then we got to form triangle shape 0. So we want to convert it to 0 for this element. Shall I minus these two rows? R3 gives R3 minus R2. What will come? 1 minus 1 2 2. No need to change the second row also. Subtract this two row. 0 0 minus 7. This is minus 7. Is it clear? Then R3 minus 7 is common. So shall I divide minus 7? That is equal to 1 minus 1 2 2 0 3 0 3 0 0 1 1. It is now you got triangle shape 0. Is there any possibilities, any rows or any column converted to 0? No. Therefore, it is in row echelon form. Row echelon form. Then equation. Now we got right rank of A bar B, that is full value 1 2 3 3 non-zero rows. Row of A means you close this column, then this is our A. What is the row of A value? 1 2 3, that is non-zero rows. 3. What I told you, 3 3 means, children, this number is able to divide this number, small clue. 3 rank of 3 3 same means this number 100% divided by this means rank 3 3 is correct. Now see our condition. A bar B equal to row of A bar B equal to row of A equal to 3. That is equal to number of unknown, or you can write n. unknown. Therefore, the given system is consistent and has a unique solution. And has unique, what is unique solutions? You'll get exact answer of xyz, unique solution. Okay, from after writing this, from this augmented matrix convert it to equation. After write x y z equal to 2, that is equal to, see here children, after writing consistent unique solution, write the equation. So equations are, how to write this, x minus y plus 2z equal to 2. Come to second row, x is 0, 3y, z also 0 equal to 3. Then come to fourth row, x0, y0, then it is z equal to 1. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. From third equations, you know what is z. Then 3y equal to, this is second equation, equal to 3. So y equal to 1. Substitute y is equal to 1, z equal to 1 in 1. So x minus y plus 2z equal to 2. So x minus 1 plus 2 of 1 equal to 2. X minus 1 plus 2 equal to 2. X plus 1 equal to 2. X is equal to 2 minus 1. So x is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution, or what is x value? X is equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. Is it clear? Any doubt this? Therefore, this is the given system is consistent and has unique solution. Any doubt ma? Like same model, example number 1.29. Final hence, here you have right here, the given, right again the statement, the given system is consistent now it is able to find out the answer solution. What kind of the answer? Given solution. Therefore, and the solution is unique solution, that is your wish. Solution is unique mean you will got each value get one number, one answer. Solution, this is unique. This is type 1. Type 1 la 3 means children this two number can able to divide. 3 means consistent unique solution. It is easily find out x y z value. Okay, like same model example number 1.29. Then come to case 3. Okay, case 3. Case 3 ke I'll give the exam same exercise la sum number 3. What is sum number 3? Again given equations are 2x plus 2y plus z equal to 5. X minus y plus z equal to 1. 3x plus y plus 2z equal to 4. After writing this equation, how to write this? Matrix equation is matrix equation is, how to write 2 2 1 1 minus 1 1 3 1 2. Correct. Then this is x y z, that is equal to 5 1 4. What it is? A x b. After writing matrix equations, you got to write augmented matrix. What is augmented matrix? Augmented matrix means we got to write combined and write a and b. So a bar b equal to, see here, 2 2 1 1 minus 1 3 1 2, that is here 5 1 4. Then now we got by using Gauss elimination method. Gaussian elimination method. Okay, now row transformation. In after writing row transformations, you are comparing these three elements. In these three elements, we got to write the first row is the middle number, smallest number, or you can use 2 in the same place, no problem. But I'm going to change this to row. So R1 replace to R2. 1 minus 1 1 1, 2 2 1 5, 3 1 2 4. Then you got to convert it to these two elements converted to 0. These two elements converted to 0. Shall I multiply by 2 here? Shall I multiply by 3 here? So R2 gives R2 minus 2 times of R1. R3 gives R3 minus 3 times of R1. Okay, then here using rough column, no need to change R1. Now take R2, 2 2 1 5, multiply by minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Then answer 0 4 minus 1 3. Write the second row answer. Then write third row 3 1 2 4. Multiply by minus 3 in the first row. Minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 minus 3. The answer is 0 4 minus 1 1. 0 4 minus 1 1. Then okay, after converted to this two rows 0, this two elements 0, then what is the next step? This triangle shape you want to convert it to 0. So you want to convert it to 0 for this element. Shall I minus these two elements? Then elements are same, so shall I minus it? R3 gives R3 minus R2. Now here 1 minus 1 1 1. Okay, second row no need to change, directly you got to minus 0, 4 minus 4 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, then what it is? 3 minus or 2. You got to directly minus this 2 row. 4 minus 4, 1 minus 1 minus plus 1 0, 1 minus 3 2. Shall I do here? 0 4 minus 1 1, 0 minus 4 minus of minus plus 1 minus 3. So 0 0 0 minus 2. Okay, it is possible to convert any elements or any rows converted to 0? No. Therefore it is in row echelon form. Therefore rank of A bar B, that is rank of A bar B equal to 3. Rank of A equal to, close this column, this is A. What is the rank? 1 2 only, because all the elements 0 means no need to consider. So we got to take non-zero row is only 2 of rank A. 2 is 2 elements, 2 ranks are equal? No, but rank of A bar B is not equal to rank of A. What is this? Therefore the given system is, what does it mean? Therefore the given system is inconsistent and has no solution. What is the meaning inconsistent? We cannot find out any solution. That's all. After writing, no need to find any answer, because inconsistent, no solution means the sum is over. No need to find out any value of x, y, z. Is it clear, children? Case number 1 is 3 3 rank. The two ranks are equal, especially 3 3 means consistent, unique. You can find out easily x, y, z, and that means it will come exact answer of the values. That is a consistent, unique solution. The case number 3 is the two rank are different, that means inconsistent, no solution. That means we cannot find out any answer. Is it clear, children? Case 2 I will take the next class. Okay, thank you.